Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where like all of these settings went to because I was so confused with this new UI, but now I figured everything out. I just need some time to I guess get used to. So to go to settings, you need to just open the menu and it's going to show you the speed, teleport, and settings. So you'll be able to change your speed here. You'll be able to teleport to the servers as well as change the settings. You can, oh, well now it's gone, but it should be there. It should be here. Oh my gosh, the lobby, slay. So settings. Okay, so settings, photo mode, everything's there. You can now hide specific players. You can, that's like the new thing that's on settings, but the rest is pretty much the same. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.